With DebtBook, it's a very straightforward process to extract the data from the DebtBook system, do a few checks, reconciliations, and you're done. It was almost a no-brainer once we saw a demo of what that original debt module could do. My name is Greg Verret. I'm Associate Vice Chancellor for Finance at UNC Charlotte. My group handles a lot of the finance and accounting functions, investments, and debt for the university, as well as our procurement and student accounts. The annual reporting tasks that we would do before DebtBook, that would take a couple of days for one FTE to sit down and put together the various spreadsheets and then build that table that was going to go into our financial statements. We have over $500 million debt portfolio, so we just needed to have a better system of record for our debt. DebtBook really just brings the debt data to the forefront, and you can much more easily isolate certain issuances. That could take several days. Now it can take a couple of hours to really just run a few reports out of DebtBook, do the analysis, and then you can have that conversation with leadership, with advisors and others to identify when do we have an opportunity to move forward. We assess a mandatory fee on all of our students to help service various debt issuances. By using DebtBook, we were able to identify when this particular debt issuance was going to mature. So we were able to see a situation where we could actually retire that debt fee a few years early prior to those bonds maturing. And that actually resulted in real savings to our students. So it was a $25 debt fee. You multiply that by the number of students that were being assessed, that's over $600,000 in savings to those students, which is a huge benefit. I think we've had a very positive experience. It's enabled us to now focus our team's time and attention on other parts of their jobs that really add more value to the organization.